our new Mitsubishi Destinator. Tara, silipin natin. Hi guys, by the way, I'm Mark Leon Peña, Sales Executive from Mitsubishi Gateway, Quezon Avenue. Tara, samahan niyo ako. View natin tong bagong Destinator natin. So hi guys, yon. Check natin yung mga price and down payment para sa ating Mitsubishi Destinator. So guys, meron tayong tatlong variant na ating Destinator, which is yung Destinator GLX. So ang SRP niya is 1,389,000. Then ang down payment natin sa kanya is only 28,000. All in down payment po. Then also meron tayong Destinator na GLS, which is ang SRP niya is 1,599,000, only 58,000 down payment. Then also ang ating top of the line, which is ang ating Destinator GT, na ang ating monotone is nasa SRP niya is nasa 1,929,000, then sa ating two-tone is 9,939,000 naman po. So ang ating down payment doon is 58,000, all in down payment na rin siya. guys, yun, kung interested kayo sa aking offer, pwede nyo akong message sa aking contact number, sa aking social media account, and TikTok account. So kung gusto nyo ma-feel ang ating Destinator, pwede kayong mag-visit sa amin for test drive. 113 Santo Domingo Street, Quezon Avenue. So guys, kita-kita po tayo sa release day.